Five businesses that does not fail. Five businesses that does not fail. Now, number one business you can do and you are sure that this business will never fail. Full stock. Full stock business is one of the business that does not fail. Now, why? Why is it that full stock business does not fail? Number one is that people must eat. Whatever be the cause, whatever be the situation, no matter the matter, people must eat. Whether you are rich, whether you are poor, whether you are average, whatever be your class, you must eat. Because if you don't eat, you will definitely die. So people must eat. Even when they don't have money to eat, they will look for who to give them money to eat. They will look for who to borrow money. People must go to people's houses, their relations, to eat. So money must be spent on foodstuff. Another one is transportation. Whether you like it or not, transportation business is a very nice business you can do that can never fail. Whether you like it or not, you must enter transport. If you don't enter a car, you enter a taxi. If you don't enter a taxi, you enter Okada. That is machine. So you must enter to a place. You must journey. You must go from one place to another. Either you are going by machine, or that is Okada, or you are going by bus or taxi. You must, even when you feel that I'm very tired, I cannot, don't have money. You must. Somebody must give you transport to go message for him. You must enter transport to go and look for where you buy food. So transportation business is a very nice business. But mind you, if you must do transportation business, you must look for a good person that must do it for you, or else you do the transportation business by yourself, because a lot of stories comes on in transportation. You will see a man who spend about five point something million or 6 point something million to buy a car, a box, for example, and will look for a driver to give it to. If that driver, because it's not his boss, he mess it up. You will see him giving stories from time to time. He will not say something spoil. He will say this happened. So transportation business is best done if you are driving the car by yourself. That's when you make money. A lot of people. I interviewed one transportation driver one day. He said he gives his master 15,000 naira. He drives Hummer bus. He said he gives him 15,000 naira every day, and then he himself goes home with sometimes 25,000, 30,000. So there's a lot of money in it. Imagine a situation where you are the person driving it every day. You are coming home with not less than 35, 40,000 naira. It doesn't fail. Another business you can do that does not fail is medicine. Medicine. Those who are in the pharmacy area, those who are in the chemist area, they don't fail. Especially most of times, no matter where you are and you are doing medicine business, people must be sick. If you're not sick of headache, you're sick of body pain, you must be sick from time to time. You must treat malaria and typhoid. So you must buy medicine. So it doesn't fail. Whether you like it or not, a single mosquito that bites you can give you a malaria. So you must buy medicine to treat yourself, or else you'll die. Malaria can kill if you don't know. So people go and buy medicine. They must buy medicine. They must treat themselves. So those who are in the medicine line, who know what they are doing, go and ask them. They don't fail. These are businesses that doesn't fail. Another business that you can do that doesn't fail is land business. Land business. Of course, you know land does not depreciate. Land appreciate. It doesn't depreciate. If you have a land, people buy land after 2 years, 3 years, they sell back their land. Imagine somebody who buy a land, let's say for 1 point something million, leave that particular land for about 3 years, 4 years. You're not going to send it for 1 point something million. You are going to send that land from 3 million, 4 million, depending the location. So land does not fail. It's a very good business. Another thing that does not fail is real estate. Real estate. If you have a house, if you have money, you can buy a land, build a house, put it tenant, look for a lawyer if possible, and give it to. The lawyer will use his hand and select the responsible people who will not be giving story at the time of payment. So land is a very nice business. House, you can build a house, give it to tenants, and they will pay you. So this is business that I know that does not fail. Real estate business does not fail. It doesn't fail. I tell you, some businesses you do, you put your money in that business. At the end of the day, your money is gone, your capital is gone. But in a real estate business, it's a business that your capital is safe. Even when the tenants does not pay you and you give them quick notes, they pack, your house still remain. You still have your capital in your house. Your assets is still there. So that is the business you can do that your capital is safe. So these businesses, they don't fail. So if you want to invest, if you want to enter into them, you can enter. You are rest assured that you will never fail. Provided you know what you are doing, you can go and acquire their skills. Look for somebody who is doing that business, enter the business with him, and then acquire the skills. Know how they buy, how they sell. I tell you, you will never fail. In my video for the first time, I want you to subscribe. If you are watching on YouTube, if you are watching on Facebook, I want you to subscribe. I want you to follow me. If you are watching on TikTok, I want you to follow me. Please don't forget, I'm your financial coach. See you next in my video. Thank you. Bye. Is this your first time visiting my channel? Please like, click on the red subscribe button and the bell close to it. Subscription is free. Thank you.